Good morning, one and all. Welcome back to Red's Homestead. Today we are hopefully finishing the electrical in the Raken House. I've got everything I need on said table or rabbit hutch, and I'm hoping to get it finished before we have our friends come over. Some things I didn't realize, and I wish I knew earlier. These little junction boxes are only like $1, $2. These little light fixtures, like $1. Here I was trying to reuse stuff, and these things were only $1. Now every dollar is important, I get that, but so is time. So I'm gonna finish up here and just get everything connected to the main source, get the lights ran down through here, and I might try to get to the electrical boxes inside here and reconnecting this wire. So hopefully we can get some of this done. Here we go.
Welcome to Raken Homestead!
Something I didn't show is my friends last time when I was running this, they ran a little late, so I was able to get this light fixture hung up right here and ran the electrical. As you can tell, it's no longer raining. It's actually beautiful outside. So hopefully it continues that way for a few days because it's supposed to. One box down. Now over here. All right, so theoretically now, if I flip that switch or turn on the breaker, flip that switch, this light should come on. A moment of truth. Will we have light? I did it. All right, that's awesome. I've never done that before. So now I have to install 2 more down the whole way. So I wasn't going to use this light fixture here, but I was going to use this mounting plate. That's what I found when I took that guy off. That's disgusting. All right, so we've got a couple problems. I was gonna see if I can get this up here. I was gonna use this, I guess, housing unit, but it's secured by nails. I hate nails. And I was able to pull another one from the barn. So I have enough for the 2 lights that I want to do, but I'm gonna try to, either pry this thing off, or worst case, I brought my Dremel tool. I'm gonna get those nails off. Because I don't have any housing units. I didn't buy any because never done this before. Didn't realize you needed them. Kind of seems obvious, but I guess not to me. All right. Now, connect this wire to that junction box and mount a light. Whew. There's the neck. Next step, connecting this to this. Let's get a light bulb, test them out. All right. Well, I found another light bulb in the barn. I have no idea if it works, but we're gonna test it out. So if I flip the switch, we should see 2 lights come on. Oh, that one blinked. All right, let me change it out with another light bulb. So I switched out the light bulb, so I know that one in the middle is good. Let's see. We have light. We have 2 lights. Oh. Keep an eye out for the hot wires. 2 down. 1 to go. All right, here's a true test. All 3 are wired up. Ready to go. Let's flip the switch. We have a light. So I can't believe I figured this out. I've never done electrical before, as I've said. And I've literally, I just rewired everything. Came from all the way down here, put a junction box down there at the bottom to hide the exposed wires, ran it through the PVC pipe all the way to come out here, because this is where the chickens will be, so I want to make sure the cord was protected. Then came through and connected to the old light switch that was over here, and then I moved it to here, connected it to the junction box, and then I didn't really know how to change this stuff in here, so I cut these and connected it up to my new wiring right here, and then all the way through the lights. So the only thing I have left is, right now I just have these capped in here. I'm gonna call a friend to see if that's safe enough to leave the breaker on, or if I should turn the breaker off. Then I have to put covers on these right there. And what I'll eventually do is run from this wire all the way back up and over and connect up to this wire you see on the ground that goes down to the outlets over here. Whoop. Gosh, I don't like using this big old stand inside of here. So hopefully that'll be a little easier, because I don't have to deal with light fixtures, because those are a pain. I don't know why. That's why electricians make so much money. So I'm just gonna do my rabbit chores, clean up some of the poop, and they're good on food, and I should have plenty of time to say hello to my little friends when they come over. So signing out for the day. See you guys.